ze wakoma ne bo palisa na eze won hwehwe na afia de bi wa na aba be sound minimum ni nyina no ahwe entu ana ma da bi no osa na ebobo de ba na bia ne ye ba kope dimpa nature health clinic omo na be na ya boa na so no wajo aya isa ya nwanton ya unya nwaduro na mane nyansa me hu anka so de emeze no na ka brabo nu asabi bi ya na ye ha adwen kakra ntitu ana monako ekoko romo maso ye na ye ntimi ambo aye so kwa abiduro nkotim ne to de dia amono ne kakra nyebe ram etimi era mana afi so no obi ane all di ni nya so yo nua oni kumasi ana sempo ni Ghana ha to omo nkra de yan so bebo modern enya report no se also na ebo modern etimi edini na se eno no ana edini nya ni nyina no obo modern to omo nkromre na ya boa na etimi aso ano kama pa etimi edi amana tutu no enso etimi akoyi kama so no etimi edi amana mun komo na edenti no yesi ne form number na ne omo nkasa na wo sare hwe ni nki 0245 118434 0245 118434 na 0246 744 246-744-744 Pomo Kudioma. Or chimo second floor, Willis Towers, Dichem so, and can baby ana minshare insurance scheme no no, Horomo Jumo Bonanwe Dimpa, Nature Health Clinic, Dimpa Yesina Winya, and a Dimpa Nature Health Clinic, stomach also last of Bromuna, Yambo, Naniamankuyi, kama pa, Entimi Enfama, Joma Daroma, any Baba Ramu Yujmano, Etimi Makase drinks in Yemi Nupenoa, any Abubo Bubia, Namia, Modern Koneaba, Ababetra Baba, Yanumsa, after no, you coffee so near Bobby Serebea, Ebemia Hodinson Koname Sunjena Fino, Yada Etimia Day, name you Pebako, Mixer 5G, Mixer 5G no, Ora Bibine Kayo Dia, or say Mame 5. Na Ejume Bonne Yadia, Nano Edin Papa, Yon Yabane Habamba Dona Kabum Tim Diaye, Tunye Binaba, Mo Hodinson Kona Shena Kuyipa, Etimi Ediamana Senamun Community, Ghana no Mama School for Nigeria Tuma, Amusia Dia no more Chenen Kakaka, Zanza Drenada, Ebenyana ni Grace Uber Bomodin Yamano, a young Juma kama pani or Jensia, a ye intinima, a Buama Yemman de Crazy no, a Muya Dinye Papa, and a old green tea and also Nanesha Dema body shape no, Unyana kama pa, me patro, na just a no mixer 5G won't come on no, na miso fruit drinks no, organic fruit suso ni abomodi timedia ye, a bit is orange, melon, mango, pineapple, apple, a mwe de papa, Nina is the Musu do, Tinumer Crano, Wako Nantima, Wababidu Fia, Wabreno, or Bomodin, net me a to 20 now unya mixer fire nasi miso fruit drinks in our bar. Isiwa send a year na befi abedin to an bar, they did do ne baby no, and also Bomodi Timia cra already mixo fruit drinks and a man quadana. Now or the mixer 5G no, I'm on pin for no fana mine commodity BRD 0246 270221 0246 270221 at 0558 106348 0558 106348 2 pebia manager Daniel mo overseas no na just manager beboa ama monsa kebu 21st clinical na face your mama Esther Adomnia Sunje Junction Watra Baptist University Buakwano Ojibo no PNC Ventures no Anomanje taxi station no Opsi Charity Hospital Junction also no Ojibina na Sachi Enterprise so Orwani Chema Safo Bincha Opsi VIP car park on Ebwana Nema de pray timi da mama mia be mami Juma mama ne bona no etendodo nyame nam no so a oboa bibidro nkoten odesa nkofo yae na uye bema na wadi ni so beboana ndetimi apijamu kama pa etimi era many from Wiser to Beam Nation na de ni hyeye onzi anyini em prostate no eye kese so 102 anama da bi no ye de ade bi ko akoto bema ni mu a ebema na hadwen kakra na ntonton penalty fi akọ na nemframa ho na de na kwakodu o nchia kaska aso me na minie na cheso ni ade bedwa na num kakra baby girls yi ye support mo krampo no ne no o mo share afa echi kra de cheche na ayi kojo to e na okwakọ kinkan okoto graphic amobi aba be kinkan memwa low spend guard na edunya ebe ni aboa nam ya no ye boa na ni nyine timire from man so no bosome so bunza na account dwe center boot no e wo so boa na miamiamu ema baby che e ya kono na e de ba na sa ya na asundwe be fie wa peba unya bi bacteria infection ni na be na abomode etimi de fie twa ya ba ko a egun kofo ni ma sepapa e wa asasi so ni nyina mo no e wo so ram na ye hwe na e boa na ne ma deda yeso no etimi ere ma na nya waya isana ne makoye perma na sickle cell nsesem de ha no kwa ma me ne champion nyame nam no so a oba na ye ka se encho befimu no enye no kre ma me abibere na waboa ma kwara na nya isa ntu kwa scan test no obomode ye na sickle cell test no oye tano so apatrapa new site o obena apatrapa junction no 0243 345-392 0243-345-392 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 nyambwa na na manko ye pemfa mama daroma ye baba betram ye djuma na etimi erma na tentem so me kom dia mama shase etimi enfan fi hospital ma so ye enkomar bobo ere ba no ejeze ne bibia totora koma Ghana ye striker friend Benjamin Tete efi mo hospital akọ djuma ma met bobo no ye CFC met nkom didi no ene bebi edudu no encho mo abeba abontia baba be confirming official so mo de niam toto na kwama ene Ghana ni ba ye friend Benjamin Tete baba be join omo ne omo abu edwuma na abo ma bibia adadiera mo division 1 super cup no ye ram no so ne didi onkom akra na ne mpemfo abomo de draw no ababa be ramani na mo no ebo ma ne ma dadie de ma ntu hwe group A na just almost fixtures on the 18th August and at the one no eramo 1 p.m. no re sere nema esi according to Tiano esi etie padia na chese pond out of France Omni Nations FC and at the bebweni near 1 p.m. Orwani chemo Dr. Kwame Chi Sports Complex on Ajmadi no eram na 11 what the sono ebobo Koforidia Sympathy na the two no and also be ram na 22nd August Koforidia Sympathy ebobo Heart of France na Nation FC omo abo 11 wonders and enufio na urum na resere nema esi etie na asan atoaso na boama hihye na adaye pa etimi edi amom na niama didaditi final game no Confederation Sympathy Nations FC and a Pando Heart of France and 11 wonders and a Grubino so no also uram na rest the name city on the 19th no so no omo matches so ejepene na etimi eram tijuma de ni na koso Dr. Kwame Chi Sports Complex but for quarter no Airboy Sky FC Young Apostles so mo ebebon zema kotoko de two no Sky FC and so be jomana so no Young Apostles area aboni na zema kotoko ebobo for quarter no na de free no but for quarter no ebebo Young Apostles na Sky FC Nzema Kotoko etimiera boni after no na uram ready semi final na ebetimi eram na chese no so nkomo no e se ni sie tie rena edema group A be share run up edema group B na afi eno efiwa ya bomodin na hihye na etimi nderam kama pa na udwani chema semi final 2 no rena edema group B be share run up edema group A tisa prepare no so no e sie tie after no yebebo third place match eno no be run 1st September na loses no semi final no mo dia na the grand finale no on the 1st September and also etimi rama aboama nema de day so etimi ramenti sa pepe na onkomo no esi etie na yegu atwene mu ne no 9 pepepe oro ani cheme ebo modern na ye release 2023-2024 Bed Power Ghana Premier League fixtures no na aboama nema de day pa ntimu nkomo no ye bo modern na nkomo bi ebe PH bia no eramu kama so no etimi ere ama na lawyer Prosperity na do na no de a cast sense me ba baze ema in place yi dodo na yetimi abom modern akle omo so momra ema meto asunsi akene biza no cast decision no enkomo omo we di ere fa enkomo sei era pimpa no bom modern dijai
because we am say if you are dissatisfied with the ruling of the Appeals Committee, you go to CAS. And these players went to CAS. First of all, they got a stay. And the FA complied fully with the stay. We make sure that Omonia are registered and they play their full season. They played it. So the new decision now is the same number of players no more. The players will be on. I have seen people write all the players have been exonerated. No, it's not all the players. Players no more cast no. Who got the stay? They have got this decision. So already he only maintains the status quo. If the decision doesn't affect any other person or any other institution, I want to be.
Eltia no ye command the open pa na bomb de etimieri tu judges ampa enkobo ne de omatiti tibia na sere nchimune ba e baba bi ramana so ye to aso bizaze na bibia dunu be contest bi o e wom kra ze mo na e wo ze mu twa sika bi kra e de ma players no na no so no anu ye se no bomb de dijai.
We welcome the decision. It's a CAS decision and we'll comply fully. Already some of them have been registered already for the season. So it's just maintaining the status quo as we had it from the last season. So additional things there, apart from the fact that yes, you contributed there is contribution to read. No, that's the finality of it. Oh. That's the end of it. Oh. Yes. And I also heard of this, the time for going to class is past. So this is the end of that case. Yes, and we are in a case, and we are not. We are okay, and we welcome it, and we welcome.
Eltiano ye command open pana pomodem let me area to ya cheche mani na boa mani amakoyeti no ye the Ghana Football Association General Secretary Lawyer Prosper Senado and our pomodere dan komono let me eram etimera me na yenko enko the gaka to for non koma akra Patrick Akoto and ne ojamu ebu ejumere magaka ozo no a ene senjamu bu ejumere ma media man komodidi mu no e be zo pipa de ne de mpa na koso a amantofo ya na madidi di nkoma adwumade no entimi ankoso chemusi no so ebo modin edira mu mai
kre se kakatofo na amanfo eni daso no amaso na asem titi a enya dia de be wadre nina isikasem ena nina so timeline and your sponsors for potential sponsors and person more interested no on person your organization no normal person you're born around September October because no here a confirmation from their corporate offices around the world. But you see here in timetable now, M1, and the only time in this particular August. It's independent folk. It's not. They decided to say, look, who here say you go competition a Sunday the organization, the very essence of the top four. Nankasa really say they prepare class for Africa. Into no medium, any dreams are qualified. So big a as a welfare body, you best support them. Instead of say you go competition. Competition or entry me Amazon.
Eltiano ye chimane open pana pomodin etimiere ja cheche mu kama pade nam so etimi ambaz baran konfo e kan waji zenne krobia komasi asante krogwazo mu puli out ne kan bi wo the kroko wadinim na we ya na dom no dos but aso mu film no etin crossing his sponsors in no kra e be didi komo.
It has got nothing to do with Kotoko pulling out. Last year Kotoko pulled out. But say boy, the competition went ahead with or without the Porcupine Warriors. And you sponsor team the age minka, Niaman Foka, and you can allow people to speculate and talk about those ones. But I'm not too sure, say, largely because of Kotoko. Yes, they are very, very important member of Gaka, Omuomwa, Emuyema Papa. National Kotoko decision to pull out, not a legit. A logical, a reasonable, a fair.
Eltiano ye command no pimpano e pomo dieri jani na meboa ma ne ma deda ye kama so no etimi edema ye don komono eruamu etimera ma Samuel Nkum ejamere ma to folk afia etwam no so no oja park no so no obobo no ti so bi twa no pa ya na on time fanya se me we betimi aba nipa no de o kan ye no kre no pe zedan de nyina na be se chibo no be ko criticize wa za nipa no ne pe wa se na de o ye enye yi kro ba be ka se ye no ya na asefa baby na ha drink kakra komosi no so erija.
To be honest, for me, for instance, if somebody say, oh, you didn't play like Wasa, you don't know how to play, I take it in the good for. I don't argue, you understand, because I like people who can tell me my mistake. Then people, they pretend, even though if you are not playing good, they will just come to you, oh, you play very well. Even you yourself, you know that you didn't play well. Exactly. So sometimes I accept it. I don't give any. I don't be down on that kind of stuff. It even motivates me more.
Eltiano ye command no Samuel Nkum pomode etimiere jani na mono eboa na hihye de di so no etimi ede ema na club issues kakra na yendidi di nkoma Lions ewi o ma confirm the Right to Dream Academy o goalkeeper your friend Daniel Afo beki anano de a ye kobo under 20 wafu no number 1 etimi ede ema ni Afo eramu kobo ejuma etimiera ma Lions 2 years contract no we signing etimiera ma monyo no nko ede oruani echiemu ewo boboko a ye from Tamale City omonso omaso ye omo striker friend ya Mohammed ayanso no adjoin omo a ono se ne Accra Lions se na ekwa kobo ejuma na next season no bibia akoyi kama pa so etimiera ma monti sa pepe ene mu nkomo no so no esiete nyambo ochena ena Accra to folk ebo modena pre-season no asha se ewo pobiman na utieti mu nkomo no ene se ne mesie kwampin for Jesu player no mo a am for phone am for sebra na bra be rama ma examso mo hihye mu no ama bomodin adodo no mo jomo kwan de di kan no ye di kan ba be kan grass na wa kodie wa ha e kan Dennis Nkrumah Kosa e kan Yasan Washin na fi other players obugiri se omo ne omo to aso bi ma enya de se be yi ye ze omo di kan ri ache Benjamin York ze ne no next season on come plans no bi na omo sha ase kra ni teams no e bi didi na on come se be on beton no na wako akwa jama bu ejuma etimi area amount officially omo communicate to no say next season no on come plans will be na report no so by ze Richmond ayi so no mo zo mo ntimi ni nye ejuma bi mbere nya no kre ye ze omo aton sa afra ize nya mbo china pre-season e sha se no mbra emma me ram na emmo ma bibia enko ye ntimi emfa ma mo ntie no so no e enkomo aba betodwa me di eram so etimi era ma Rivers FC oro di chemo na gi omo abomoden of fucking Pfizer 1 million naira so mo nje na ene Samuel Adon Frimpong embebo loan ntimi emfa ma omo this kind of buy you know can Pfizer for na access is kana 1 million naira de bagana is 15,000 omozi ade na wo form ti ebe ya nkomo nya ni 2 million naira na so no ye dey likely say ne no nkomo didi ni we pay ya Rivers FC bebo modern loan Samuel Adon Frimpong join omo ne omako akwa kubu ejuma na Nation FC urome wo mo so omaso ya de aba betodwa no ejezo mo abomode ani omo players no dodo na di division 1 me no matwa mu nyina gu ama na kai sese nwotwe osesen na club ni hihye mu no mgidi ze eso mo toto dodo na eba bewurame bia eno na ebeboa ama omo succeed wo league it almost be 70-80% there omo just players ni nyina kwan a yesi entimi ni omo entimi nye adwuma ne bi no omo hihye mu no ombekwa akoba yonkofa kensie baako ewo Burkina Faso after ono omewura mo South Africa pre-season akoshe ho kakra yezi omba bedu Ghana aze enabe se 9 tem na ye league no ebo modern etimi ashase entini nyina no niam omode ewrama ebo ama nema da ye so no etimi erama club na edon komo no ewramu so etimi erama Emmanuel Adusian enso e play obo ejuma etimi erama FC Samates na nkomo nim no ebisa sian se sian over last season ball na boy ne sere nema esi ekoya na wankasa wase so wan sere osipeno no unya ne sa na say no obo modern etimi erijai.
Great experience because me per se, no, I wouldn't say I had a bad season, but once a player be I want set target to best start the season and I say in your career and I say I'll best start before I have to set yourself a target, and I would say target I'm set I couldn't reach it, though I wouldn't say it's a failure but it's a lesson. I don't know about pushing me to come up stronger maybe this season. I mean I don't know say I want it was.
Tiano ya nkomo bo modi etimi erija na nyina mabo ama na mada di perma na bizanze na pre-season isha asi se na nema nso esi ekọ maso ya no so no ocheche mu nkomo no se na bo modi etimi erija.
I think say started said they can 1 week any started for the first 2-3 days. No, it wasn't easy for us, but right there. But now shy boy, which means the intensity was very high. Which means 1 week here the crown. I hope can cost rock a crown. So you are hoping say a baby pre-season in there we should come out best by like your performance by cost rock. I think.
Tiano ye command Emmanuel Adusian captain Edema FC Samates abomodin etimiere atuja boama na madaye pa etimiere na inter schools competition no eguso ekoso enche yeberam ne akomi akwa akudi nkoma bare ne ohwe sere ne mezikwa mas ejoma na so eche cast eze bomo miensa pa na jeze cast for ne ye bi omo intimi ante na mun komo no era ni Ibrahim Amadou coach Edema Supercars na coachi and after the game ye twebe ne din komo na como se na coach Bomo dedi etimere che
maybe they are after match we person can review match I don't share on the other say the match of the referee na and up to they not be every so far na dia they won na ba me training young friend they me dey me na kwa yaduma me hwese on beto aso me hwese enkra ba yaduma na asiwa we o mamo ai ma dia fa so be puso mo we school be e na se be e be na se dia ba mo say e do mo school dem ya na wi e be to aso e mama to aso ko mani so far no from 3 for no me I said 3 no me 3 no ma kan from 2 for sanity because yes seniors
Eti ano ye command no na je coach Fred Ibrahim Mamadou abomode etimi area to yati oman nane omopa be ze miensa de otumuza no de enche me kona me ne Michael Akomia Gemfi edidi di nkoma na abo ma ne ma etimi akoe na ne de aye na me ze be bo one top ne ti I was a rama ba de wa ba so I remember from the top 4 Anyamba Sonia Kotonchimwa or the Bana Fi Jamaso. But him the kind of nations FC. That players by in as a Donako.
Well, I raise questions about the quality of the players when they qualify, and beyond the performance, I mean, raise questions as to whether the players were the ones that really performed very well for the team to qualify. Because who we need who qualify from Division 1 project to Premier, at least about half of the team, so maintaining for consistency in the team structure, very, very important. We know now kind of almost genuine team.
Team no
now genuine team. Mrebe na wa. Odi kwa koboli. Undi mrewu. League no start in September. Or China air 1st August. And virtually or let's say 6 weeks to prepare the team. Me know him say got total players will go 6 weeks and yeah enough. And to one share you will not start on a good note. Because I feel that players no uko preseason aba. I feel no mabe hu kakra. Preseason is different from proper match and competitive match situations.
Yes.
And the abasa na, embema coach no anya problem, but a coach no and our take set decisions. Because I'm sure say omude ne buy no, or no one who plays no, a kwambe no offers or assess players.
Also, on your match a preseason has almost be 2 weeks.
Yeah, but 2 weeks is enough to say
80%
of players should leave. Knowing very well, say, I no preseason, no. Sabi, young players, you go fear. I'm going to near to 12 man, no bomb matches outstanding in Nema anti and no Nema Kakra. And so that first 2 weeks, Mirasa, Neman in from and to own a proper assessment technically of players are Omunya and Omuyadi. Remember, this said the 4th week echo. Why a lot of ball work and then what started ball low profile friendlies. So they say, I don't know best start who kakra. But first 2 weeks, dear.
Ultimate fast.
Debbie. Come on. I mean, sometimes our coaches how they get their things. I say one can so bank why watching that. And I say, Obia a listener a go other than Oba and all the age more. Because it doesn't make sense. How did they qualify then? Young Sky, any dreams?
Yes.
There are Division 1 team like Sky one born Boba. It's all Sky and Dreams. Even though Dreams are Premier Division, you near Sky fantastic. What do you say? So, sir, if we are saying, sir, club, no, the same group on Sky, and that all nations are better than Sky. And I can tell the Sky team, no, some qualify players on back on those to be out. They can beat a lot of Premier teams. To say I can't say not qualify from the same group. Now about 80% of the players, you almost in charge for Fufra. Then the question was that players when they qualify a team, no, and I didn't see it.
But I think we the opposed to who power.
Yes.
That team no, to say that now cano. Ya won't be on quality or so. They don't qualify, but new coach by and wabe pump players and do do na.
It's wrong because sebio players there team the oye there team be Real Madrid or Barcelona team kesi bia no ana team kitu akraba no. Oko competition ma oye there a sinto bewo baby. And ti sa sinto no they be fan say baby ben 6 players be na core of the team no until basa omo be background no omo fitting the team reasonably because of majority no any momo ebo omo dada until basa na team no and suffer in terms of structural change because team there who share na year na bobola e ma good result because obi ani majuma so here but say basa be dri na o chance yes na sebe oni a wa hye gu ompo ekosisen a odi bo premier na ekosisen na ne wa century e chance it's not the best. Any good development for the SFC. Well, the other can say we wish them all the best. Ebia, adakwa me omu ni omu ye.
But omu international matches no mbe kwa kobono. Ombe ko Burkina ko bi after no mbe ko South Africa. Akwa ko show kakra za na o baba be she league na small Ghana.
Well, any bad for me. A good exposure, but even though omu ko Africa na but a good exposure for the players. Ebema omu team so aso na hon dey share with those clubs there, might play a certain level of international exposure and experience to play there. And then the level of competition, maybe a teams don't go Bokra, depending on the club they are playing. A big crowd switch premier for no be. Almost pitch on Hondi against them. A summer coach know an opportunity to assess the players in that top flight competition. Now I take it down notes as to the system. Any players so be all switch from one position to another. And then the kind of system of how our players will be fit into it. So the most important thing is a good preseason. Now moba league no became Bamma and Kokeke. So I hope Mono Nations FC, we wish them all the best. The say be can send my black clubs. Send be a clubs be to perform to my prefer. We are fin on my band here bomb pies on be Kim. So there's a but then you know mututi. So now Gaka. Unfortunate that Gaka shouldn't get here. Omo juma no manye ni.
Omo niam bi no manye ni.
Omo niam bi na we nya issue. Gaka tough for remember na Gaka organize Gaka tough. Remember in how many years? Then almost last year almost that year.
Oh DB.
Ora Kojofiano. Gaka tough for from day one or your brain behind it or your backbone of people.
Yes.
With all his experience, the Gaka tough for from those decades. Ora bebe some bresu be see na Gaka tough for so far financial difficulty. He raised questions about omo organization abilities and then how omo position Gaka tough for no. How a Gaka tough for nya attractive view. Gaka tough for event. I organize events.
Yes.
No event be about to December or Baba response. The point is this. So Dabe no who say Gaka tough for no bebaso is something you do annually until you are aware. Now you are aware, you send proposal to companies before the end of the year last year. By October, November, companies are prepared on a budget for sponsorship for name of say a fall within our corporate social responsibility for the next year. The banner a fall within budget. So by October, Anka Gaka top for this year, as a sponsorship by October last year.
Yes.
I call that. And ya fair now companies have already thought company be or spend on the budget for corporate social responsibility and advertisement and now pay outdoor event be or no for a mubiano last year and I feel I feel you're lucky it be a surplus kebi and all you're lucky or the call be for but no and you're guaranteed you can't plan with that and I thought it be so near open because and come share no and in your benyano ekitwe and Timmy Muama Shishen. So I'm saying that this has been organized all this while. Nine, you are cancelling a Gaka top 4 because of lack of funds. It raises competency about the entire Gaka structure. Yeah. It's a good thing to even tell the corporate world. No. Because product nankasa ye kasa and product nankasa how attractive is the packaging not the same.
Yes.
But see, Gaka, and Timian signing a company, Gaka top for bear company, means 3 years crown running. This company should not be suffering every year, sir. There should be companies almost sign 3 years, 4 years. Say, twice I do baby. I say, cancel. Gaka top on a my mileage, a my fast 20. You say only competition, a company we grab. But the pataso maybe I say Abu Trading Company top 4. And Abu Trading top 4. Yes. So then the dia be pata because of the sebe moi wabwano any officer be a Gaka top 4 be pijan the drum pemper so ni bedun. Unfortunately that is not what we are seeing. And I know explanation be for some of us explanation and to assume an issue about leadership and your more understanding of sponsorship and events. And how early they need to start it, and how well some package events no man packaging the year, and then how clubs don't cry. I cry some bottle for them. Is it attractive? It's not attractive. Bono cry no. Is it exciting? A dear full floor nobody can get cut off on as an additional event to make it attractive to the public. Sponsor bag cut off for the They look at all those things. And so they have to sit down and repackage it again. No more share how I appeal to corporate sponsor. Saturday we next year man can be any mkwasi asem.
Asem we no.
TSA yeah to me because ka any mkwasi asem. Enya asem is na mbiza say impanyifo mu da no ni panyin ankasa wa ye tough for ache. By now it's all experiences e wan namoto in dealing with sponsors. San kansa na e ga ka chairman anka me nkansa. If you numpo have issue with but ansan ni experience awura ko jofia no.
Yeah, my feels with there.
Fantastic. And especially when it comes to tough.
Oh, ni sopa. But I was to ya na be mon so far fees anka we say. It seems that is all cancer was the be a boabo who see no. And if you a boabo once you cross at the end of the season, they attract teams in a crab bono.
Yes.
No, this all cancer koroko pull out. As a unique team kesi bia woman.
Yes.
And a dear course here kwa copy we.
Sanya attractive.
Yes.
And attractive. So why won't the Koloko pull out of it? The idea not going to be free kakatofo. Or boy idea no kakoi. One, even though Kotoko about Africa, Omonko Africa, but at least say via me kind Kotoko. And you see, we should also understand this. Sadia na can so Kotoko Amboa, Sebi you yes, you other class bebono. Sebi unfortunate. And Sayan Colasem. Untiasia. A club last and from Herbert time for Yambo Bim, I remember very well. Listen, this is the same tough. Say unim how big Kotoko is, how big House of Focus. I saw making special arrangement for them for such competitions.
Oh, okay.
Because omu driving numbers, and don't forget, without them you can't get sponsors. Take it from me. There are individuals be or forget about even established. Your individuals be more on business or more belong to House or Kotoko. Omuankasa the fact say Oya Kotoko ne has ni or per se or no sponsor. The pride of sponsoring as a supporter and the company. Oh, Mama TT Brothers an example.
Yes.
TT Brothers, them Moyama has will say, TT Brothers or no, because has he will sponsor. Without the two class, forget it. This is you bet Bobo Tina or media money. Listen, Has and Kotoko continue to be Has and Kotoko. Ghana 90 to 80%. If you only clubs, Premier Club, owners to be beer.
The only Has and Kotoko.
That's the point. And so Omono saw making sure say at every point in time who was special package for them. Sebo nipa minuti nyepe.
Yes.
Sene beya Omo park no kra hwan ebeko. I don't know about Baba Kotoko and can one ebeko pa. And so you need to make sure that you whip the Kotoko, create awareness for more support the two team supporters ahead of the top four. Even God campaign for you. Casting Kotoko, Omamo, Obama, Adriana, Obama, Mediama, say Abia, 50,000. I saw Timima Kotoko ni has of folk bear 200,000 Ghana cedis each because they are not the same. 200,000 Ghana cedis. Where Makotokoni has of 200,000 each. Where my Adriana be 50,000. The truth of the matter is that one never pack on. I send Kotokoni has also supporters. So we engage you as GACA leaders. You have to engage them ahead of time. NCC chairman, House of National Chapters Committee chairman, Kotoko Circles Council chairman. Meet them. How I rally almost support them to make sure say GACA tough for them. And then one Kasano, and some making sure say what matching up players in both teams to start creating awareness and creating curiosity and anxiety among support base. Way ahead of before league baby. Magaka tough for any attractive. Create a bragging rights for the support for the players and the supporters. Ahead, whip up enthusiasm. And it's not about webinars with Gaga. No. And never the how you don't do that. And to mind who I nipa sabi e curious be say who I didn't say me pa ko she yes one is so maybe I could be that crack say ono has you the musicians who support has and Kotoko the young guys on by you
involve
there should be banter on Twitter and Facebook there should be banter. This is how you organize event and the bebiano uti tough stars celebrities can be people will naturally Tina de Biamika don't say events, a specialized area. Who nima who friend nimu no much sure how to get it done. It's unfortunate, but Sana look, if you don't treat them with offer boni ni dear momo, no one treat them special best or event to be a you must treat them special because almost supporters them are they are grown here. So they say. So it's unfortunate. But next year, no mean person on Babeka Sasa Mini TB. Samuel Lincoln. And I said, look at it. I mean, me study free as class Nawako. Has Janukwa Nikwan so what prep to do or buy. I mean, he's aging. Today as 33. Then Ghana football. As at 2012, I remember covering Champions League. Mini Kwabna Eboa. Well, Accra Sports Stadium. On Awako playing so well against TP Mazembe Zamalek. Eddie Ali.
The days in our Brekum Chelsea now.
Top class performance player. Okay, Ibrahim Saka.
Rasta.
Ibrahim Saka. Oi.
La Emmanuel Clotilde.
Clotilde and so on. Well, these guys almost bad do as a mama or kissy bottom. He at that time, Wako Crabola. Oh, or on Dandeb or Danda, no, just on my pass. He was a delight to watch, but unfortunately, a pra hanopa. Pomunyansa, say Jambos near the body, a smart pass, free kick. He's good, but unfortunately, injuries are hano. And he Anka Kakroba as class and injury Anka Kakra won the Mukrano, but him even a no crowd to say or park so and a glimpse Kakra to say or the great Sunday Kakra, but unfortunately, team there who build the team, I do baby a player on Mao. Regular performance, consistent performance, outputs are on here when you need the most. Or say Jiska, no, I do where you have to sacrifice the player by thinking about the club call for a young player rather than or age or so bebo no mostly amount now or say Jiska Kasenema no by a free wage bill no so and so it's unfortunate, but BBO of the CBO now. Dennis Kosa, I don't even know why I was about to pick him in the first place. He's oh yeah, he's one of the poorest left backs. I need baby I'm for football.
They discuss.
Yes.
I was on drafts for
his recovery. It's not about drafts. It's not about drafts. It's about what near left back where Juma saw near about baby free back.
Said drafts all year Juma.
Said drafts between Hansburg and drafts. It's about big man. Good. Now, so I have a secondary school. I have a secondary school.
I didn't know university.
Now, university, I failing Poto.
I be failing.
Yes. Now, all free draws about book. Now you failed to live out as well after all the opportunities of the amount.
I was another house on no call up to the Black Stars.
Sompa. 2% call us. Yes, I mean, come
in. That be so. Come on, the man on the call Black Stars. That's the fool.
No call Black Stars. Okay,
so okay, squad.
Okay, then. Income your friend of blaster from Kotoko Koyeding.
Okay, noble.
How far is no heading?
Noble.
Over how many years?
Oh, Bochepa.
And Uniaka. And yet, Matra Makwe. And that's not what we are talking about. And that's the difference between this recent players and any players. Because player only recovery as a level is a disaster. Player always losing his marker, a fullback. Lose your marker. When we marker call wide, and so a cutting full, and you can't close down. And the next thing you do is foul. Kosha need Bichim. One of the worst performances exhibited. Only Clinton do. The intelligence of on your back was a disaster. He was causing mess. Why confused? On him so and so recover or call on him you saw it. And you claim you're left back. It was a bad experiment. That Macan should have bought him in the first place. He's not a top or a normal left back. He's not a top left back. How many crosses does he send to as attackers every match? Match after match, how many? Maybe so how many? Always complaining on the field of play. Who must do always complaining. Yes. So House of Janukwa, they have every right. House of Oak, FR, Avoca. Only perform. Avoca anyway one anymore. Radio Avoca anyway one anymore.
Avoca there's all international.
And the Avoca international and the House of standard. That's why I question why I'm on a tour then it's Cosano. Because I know for instance it's about costing financial loss to House of Oak. I won't know him son in Bobo, me name son in Bobo. I average mommy. That's why I say me standard in market scheme for play different from Moody. Yes, because Sana say standard quality.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes because I got to players when you know and say me Fatima Papa, you don't understand, and I don't even care whether you want to understand. That's not my problem. No credit. Mr. Tika and say I'm full mekai. But Mr. Kacho there. Thank you. No credit. obetimia pamutuma a decorated monkey still a monkey opa monkey shano space ni bia wo ye den a monkey sana tie sana no kre
o go tracker
o pe ye ne den for a monkey so they say sana tie enti no kre de wo ye den a be dedi so cause so as of guy there so much janu kwan
all India no mun share decided it's how but
still
a report today is abotre
ebia omunya nya bi ntia ozen and say let back the system no
ayi o ma fantasy city ayi Levitos ata
Levitos well Levitos is better now for Levitos can play as a left-sided center back ozen Tamale City sometimes about 3 back yes NYS ada so Levitos is better than him so ebia obe back up Levitos some pen sounds there o player Benjamin York I know dear minimum nyadwe if you think one of the players are free bench best size of game pass Benjamin York watch it
yes
has matches to do na
last season all like our Tosca
yes Obama or the honky can be or some game then super and I said nani so was she what do I say and or crabola difficult I don't know what is it Ebiani attitude or whatever but has what you don't make the mistake this young man or a good player mean or always only can't stop or shall say more bro but or free bench my what is your players bisa who starting now who the beba or free bench bar Benjamin York there I'll be surprised ebia there is something I him and a football club sometimes ebia player no ne subine near yebi so those can inform the decision but seba playing kwadia so far near who league no I mean, it should not be a player. At least even if they keep him on the bench or bar free bench bar, you'll be our second game then this one. I believe say or no there some keeping him. Richmond idea. Say has supporters no. Minim one am consulting no. Say Richard Atta. On any day, Richmond is better than Richard Atta. On any day.
Also.
Yes, on any day. On any day is better than them. On any day is better than him. Yeah. Judgment reflects what? Me say more way now more there na clean sheet na many more problem what can they be listen
clean sheet there
has of 4 goals or consider how many of them how many of them any fault that is how you judge a goalkeeper on the functions in a course of goalkeeper no pomo e die no yeah the judgment be na corona reflex and a reaction sorry I say and na e ba say one year ni ye nti na ye share no and I say because the defense was breached. Now defense you breach here mostly 1v1 situation. Any keeper be na there 1v1 situation. Even great Casillas, fathers here there 1v1 channel. So most of the time goes as well consider. Look, has one Carella goes on considering for keeper. You look at the quality of defense you have and how defense they consider go match after match. And then keeper on no contribute to most of the goals now. Richard Atta by goal Richard Atta consider against Legon City. Was that goal? After that goal no play can some transfer list no.
Although they have 0 contract
and I'm say has in Legon City no. It is a waiting I must reach what I now we upgrade now the goal we shana. So it is sometimes yen sentiment emotions no. Na yen share ball no technically ne so say na say share no Richmond or a good goalkeeper and now or those players so na come has of hope the commitment has of hope so I hope say obe start preseason no na we are seeing the soko
Washi
who dey na so
ba bi ayewura ba bi ayewura Ona be ba apostle ba be ko ba ya akomiara bibi aboko de Hello Meza
Yes sir
Meza na bibi aboko de
Abu Dhabi Yami Abdul bibi aboko enye bete wa hasisi
from Kakra ano pa na yerize game no chance ya na ba wa so etifa efi wa bra ba bisi sisi a match aye bono twa mfo ije se na dem eko
yes and then say quarter final na Abu Dhabi ni say for match ele de timi akoso na obeti mo baba ya hanu ma match di kan choja na e tia ma ene ka na Abu ni hu bi da and then referee out the Ghana Premier League temporary office matters. A card there, police one of the little right there through one. Cars also about just when you clear penalty with the I say, I would to say, I'll rob you on Ama, a year, Ama, estimation could be over them by 2 goals to 8-0. It's enough for a bigger. But now, confirm running now, Mama see at the airport, and therefore the Jamas are qualified for the semi-final of this particular year's sports and colleges football competition also by our sports stadium. Now, I don't know this second game, so since any Islamic and Abu Dhabi when they say catch it. Since for now, they almost computer so and I born the set up and then let me say 2-0 let them Momoko ban or the back was added to Sumania 3 and Sana Islamic Estiba Pamana 1 Obabesia. I will see a kind of fabulous ladies at some point in time. We put like it's be Sandra and it's not bench at the moment. I think they couldn't get in and a certain year almost qualified for the semi-final. And a third game, it's me bound to okay to name and cancel. And the game for today, Abu, the best game of my head and then man cancel and you okay. And you said, go man cancel for ball, my born or Baba Apple Martin. And so when you say a catch it, the second game now, Anna Mizaya. Emma man cancel for the defender, a yellow card, another yellow card, the next a red card or no. 10 against 11, and okay, I can also take the lead. Now, we have ball, man cancel for ball with 10 men down Abu Dhabi, and yet better, stamina, quality. Seems the ball on process, create chances, and Omodo Konya penalty last minute, and almost money 1-1. The call penalty shootout, the savior of the day. Now, okay, Obu goalkeeper, or chief penalty, and okay, so bomb and sending out to the 3-0 on penalty shootout, and okay, and they are qualified for the semi-final. It's the last quarter-final of the day, and also between Olak, that is Our Lady of Grace, that school of Mampontecho, where the money Sakafia. Now, I'll have Sakafia for money more in now. Olak, actually Sakafia 1-0, and Sakafia into and at 1v1 situation, and I know for 7 times or more friend, what that Edema academical. Or down at the academy academic so no play and 1-on-1 on this striker or train out of the 2 for there's a penalty and a Ulan and they take the lead. Jabu, maybe a city or semi-final 1 between T.I. Amat and the Sim. T.I. Amat and the Sim. Not second semi-final also between Okes and the winner of between Oleg and Sakafian. You'll be really know what I can show you over the second semi-final. Omuya on the Joma Home. Be 30 minutes to an hour. Then number the final and the fourth.
The per the near man economy watching no and about 3rd and 4th for sample final of you.
No play and the semi final.
Okay, Mate. But medase pa do them when in Koso and the China, BB Beba. Why na? Yababa Beje report no. Huh? It's your no ye Michael Akomia, the sports messiah, any Roman in the cock. Kokudin komani wacheche die kumabozo we na yenye mpije mu na woka Yasan Washin
Yasan Washin Nizo one of those strikers
oh they Washin they have seven nim crowd fast back.
Oh okay.
No first time I'm meeting here Ghana and Central African Republic. Yeah on there on come one me do am back room now.
In fact onye or below par a player to even play for House of Folk or below par. You see sir House of Folk enye team kitwa Ghana. So per player, every amanonia. The player is so quality technical upgrade. So obru or more team no so. Yeah. You are seeing the Ghana your players be ombru no so. So first of all, who here says so far no ba. In first of all, a waste of money. Because ball or boy, your players be coast boys play without opportunity play better than him. So why do you spend money on? Oh, yeah, can't say a player so be a Serbia Modibon or Fema. Yeah, come a bonti and I'm on the Secofibia, but I said, oh, Brunia was.
Yes.
Honey, business.
Watching them is opposed to the Nippon than a bear and convince organizer about Central African Republic Nation. Be sure.
No, sir.
Only a quality need or form part.
Sir, and no near the far player, the Nippon fan no cry has over some unity. And you're the far player. You need to see the player. First of all, a DNA technical report on the player's performance over the last 3 years. Maybe for one season, the player. 3 years, you know, the performance is a goal, say no share, club and no boy, competition, say no boy. Then, Maombra, because men for video, because moon nimninti ma umbraha and then assess him and send our community resources some ba on trial ionde mitia and obeka no one say because of nyabo trainer we me hunu ye a whole season or then
this season we win ye
don't me this season
about half season
yeah nyan next season half season or then what's your
go ni the amba babo
na oh me pacho ye tono so benye den
on me goals
ye tono so benye den
on me goals
e ba etuanaka
yes
wa shego no bi on shego minim contract mu say we say performance contract go do do one shego enye say etuoka biom ana say okasara say half today that's what is supposed to be done performance based and to we or didi kwa gp kwa on shego until first one pa the same
onya abotre
no enye onya abotre say no nya abotro e ho na wo hu no ye tua no ka so ba shego ni pa so ye tua no ka on shego
post abotre karema be why but I want to figure no more to take place here there be how can or 4 power like do be a reverse FC dia break
enim gwasi asem
obi a Africa for
no enim gwasi asem back in face omo kon are consider say insult to even the club so mean can someone consider so enye say kin face ajitum that's the bottom line yes omo jitum no
Ghana wo form cry
wo fem na we say ska 14 to 15,000 Ghana cedis and another local club will come to turn out to a better money than. Because local clubs they are paying 100,000 200,000 for players
yes
and it's a call Nigeria the only thing I'm person me say ebia ni salary no in dollars bro niana me join say ebia ye turn 40 to 15,000 Ghana cedis fine from Kinfesa and you Kinfesa no more negotiation to transfer
loan
deal but no benya saying so benya $2,000 cramek plus onko
so ni ade ende so mu si push it down
ni ono benya no hunya me
ora de obenya no
se ni ono behi se ni ono benya no se be wo so abetim dia boa abusua ni ono aba brother I'm all for it
onko
when onko ya ama $2,000 give us a quarter of $2,000 yes $2,000 a Ghana and is over 20,000
only the end pay me yi no mu edu
yes se ni de no mu odu a kin face akra ma no loan any permanent o ma no because sometimes clubs in as much as you dream kola no so dachi after a loan or boy obesa back very very back to you and say I can't one season and second phase I make sure say extend and son mama nako yes send be come bet me back and the next time cry be akra the money back so no max okay yeah permanent no more afedi so I think that so no any personal salary obenya better far better $2,000 there Nigeria they pay well.
Yes.
And it's a $2,000 Obenya $2,000. That's good. 20,000 Ghana onya. And this Obenya one season. One season say would the France 7 months, 8 months cry. That's 7 months 140,000.
Yes.
That's good money for the player.
Yeah.
Obesa babak. So
now Konkoni $100,000. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, of course. Now Konkoni is only an exceptional player. He's a good player, only exceptional player.
Oh, okay.
Well, Konkoni is a good player, only exceptional player. So it's good. He's been consistent for Bichim and it's good. And yet, look, the truth of the matter has of Konkoni Kokra, he would have bettered his value and his technical development. Because has of and Sompa has FM. So the best thing for him to do is to go to a club like Yanga. Yanga, don't forget, Omu Lucy, CAF Confederation Cup final to USM Orges.
Yes.
Omu a CAF Confederation final. And this is a team almost every year they're in a Confederation Cup. So they are here. And so our club Sebio or Koboa ni value because the team was Yanga. Obo Yanga pe you refer to the competition they play. Has won the last time Omako competition could do group stage.
In fact.
So baby Okono one or bet develop because there's a lot of competition in a younger team. Younger best come back to Africa. Or be opportunity to play in Africa group stages like Omuye Confederation Cup no. Ni value because through ni here say or no anybody bono will match up to the competition, the quality in Yanga. A hot assembly in our if Wakodu Yanga, Omo performance in the league for Bechim. But on one Kasani performance, no better what team Yanga team na first team or better room. That is what they should fight for. To be able to do that. Ura, a friend, a Yanga team no more. Or Yanga team no more. A bedroom purpose, or better me a movie $500,000 to $1 million to another club. the money bono be queen or no ankasa be boano and it will help on any personal development. So between House of Folk and Younger a far better deal. And the development of the player change House of Folk. Is it House of Offenbar?
I was going to say, or change why?
Bechema $200,000. Hey, now penny for his own bro.
Oh, are they? Are they be where?
But I should one boy league.
Why?
But I should one boy league.
Dabi.
No man can come your Tom saying.
Oh, I got us here. It is around $150,000. What will become?
Bechem 200. I got to go to 150.
I was there on the particular wish. Why? You don't want Piquet Bana or about Twasso. 80 million. I'm watching a bishop.
Onitin bi epuwe, opuwe ya wampuwe ni kwao.